Imagine you're working on a cup and ball game, and you encounter a problem with swapping divs in a grid. The goal is to animate the swap between divs 1 and 4 to create a visually appealing effect. You've tried adding transitions and keyframe animations, but you're not sure how to make it work seamlessly. Starting with the solution provided, we can see a JavaScript function that handles the swap between divs 1 and 4. The function uses CSS transformations to move the divs to their new positions, and then quickly resets the transitions to avoid unintended effects during the swap. This ensures a smooth animation when the divs change their grid order. Moving on to the CSS part of the solution, we have styles defined for the container and the grid items. The grid layout is set with specific dimensions and alignment properties, while the grid items have a transition effect for smoother animations. These styles play a crucial role in achieving the desired visual outcome when swapping the divs. Lastly, the HTML structure includes a button for triggering the swap action and a section with 4 grid items representing the cups and ball in the game. The IDs assigned to the grid items help target them in the JavaScript function, allowing for precise control over their positioning and order in the grid layout. In summary, by combining JavaScript for logic, CSS for styling, and HTML for structure, you can create a dynamic and visually engaging cup and ball game with animated div swaps. So, give it a try and see how this solution enhances the user experience. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment for more coding adventures.